I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Mediterranean-style baked chard leaves with cannellini beans, roasted peppers, and a spicy tomato sauce. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, strip the leaves of chard from the stems, carefully keeping them as intact as possible. Dip the leaves in cold water to rinse them. Chop the stems into half-inch pieces and wash them well and set aside. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the leaves for 10 seconds until softened. Remove them, shock them in an ice bath, and then dry. Heat a skillet with half of the olive oil, add the onion, chard stems, and salt, and cook this until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cumin, oregano, and beans, and cook this for 1 minute until fragrant. Add the lemon juice and season with salt and pepper to taste. Mash the beans slightly with a spoon and then allow this to cool. Next, heat another skillet with the remaining olive oil and add the onion and garlic and cook it until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the cinnamon and paprika with the tomatoes. Bring this to a simmer and cook gently for 20 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Season with salt and pepper and add your red chili flakes. Evenly spread the sauce onto the bottom of a heat-proof pan or casserole dish. To make the chard rolls, place the leaves of chard with the smooth side down on a work surface and place 1/3 to ½ cup of the mixture in each leaf. Roll up, folding the sides in to form a 2-inch by 4-inch log. Repeat this with all the remaining leaves. Place each of the chard rolls into the pan on top of the tomato sauce, cover with a lid or foil, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until heated through. To plate, place 2 of the chard rolls per portion with some of the tomato sauce onto a plate and top with the feta cheese and green onions.